Down on Rodeo Drive, feel the 20s leaving my pocket. That is cool. Run-of-the-mill Corvette. There goes the in-laws. Find a redneck. All right, welcome back. Day 3 here in LA. We find ourselves down on Rodeo Drive. How do we know that? Well, have a look at this. They are everywhere. So I'm not much for dropping $1,000 at a time or just for blinking in the wrong direction. So we're going to be on car watch today. We're going to be looking for some fancy cars. Started off with that Porsche. Let's see what else we find. I will say Land Rovers, Range Rovers, Mercedes are a dime a dozen here. BMWs, there's quite a few of those, but mainly a lot of Mercedes and Porsche. You know, name it, they're here. In the middle of this high-class jungle, we find a redneck. Here we are. So we are walking on Rodeo Drive. You can feel the 20s leaving my pocket just walking on this sidewalk.
20s?
100s? 50s? There's a Rolex store. Louis Vuitton over on the corner. A lot of things that are, a lot of what else is here is the G-Wagons. There's also the G-Wagons are popular here as well. I think we're gonna go for a walk up here. This is a little walkway up Rodeo Drive. Obviously no cars, so we'll get back to the cars in a minute, but let's have a look and see what we got. Everyone did some copyright music, so we're going to change the music right here. Tiffany and Company. This is a watch company over here, Jenny. So that is called 2 Rodeo Drive, I believe. We're now heading back out to the normal Rodeo Drive. Lots of tourists over here, and we're tourists as well. That is cool. This would appear to be Beverly Hills Police. A little trailer there with all the cameras on it. Pretty much every place here has security or armed security. Cameras everywhere, which is a good thing. I was expecting more people for a Saturday, but I'm not complaining. Run-of-the-mill Corvette. I say that like I got 3 of them at home. I don't. Alright, we're coming up on another G-Wagon, a Porsche, and then another Porsche. That's a very nice Porsche. This is one nice Ferrari. So we just went and got our picture taken by the Beverly Hills sign. So who out there can tell me about this tree here? There's no placard, but I remember something about this tree. Maybe some of you guys know. Right next to the Beverly Hills sign. One of you gotta know. This is not Rodeo Drive, this is Beverly Drive, one road over. Oh, here we go, here's ours. Your relatives are here. There goes the in-laws. Ford GT.